Right, this will be the worked out solutions for the quiz review. I'm going to do it in parts. The first part we're going to do deals with the weight. It's the most complicated of the processes. All right, we're given a table that has not only what we're talking about, but an interval. That's a pretty good indication that we're going to have to find a midpoint. The number of watermelons sold, many of you are having a hard time realizing this is the frequency, and the price at which they are being sold. Okay, price does not have anything to do with weights. So we're going to exclude this column. All right, so we basically have to find the midpoint of this weight column and multiply by the number of watermelons sold so we can find out the total poundage of watermelons sold. After we find the total poundage, then we need to find out how many total watermelons were sold, and the average or mean weight will be found by dividing the sum of this column and the sum of the product column we're about ready to make. All right, I have done this already. So if we take a look, okay, we need to basically do four things to find the weight of the meats. We need to first find out the total number of watermelons. If you add these together, you're going to get 2,000. Okay, after we know the total number of watermelons, we need to find the midpoint of the intervals for the weight. Okay, we're going to do that, but all you really have to do is add these together and divide by 2, add these together and divide by 2, add these together and divide by 2. All right, many of you are not using parentheses when you add these two numbers together or not doing it in two steps, and you're getting a midpoint that's outside the range of the interval. That's a good sign that you're making a mistake. Okay, after we go through that, we can basically start thinking about how we're going to get our computation.